Welcome in to the Biker Baker Show. We cook up some cookies, pies, and dough. So stick around till the end. See what kind of recipes we come up with again. Stick around and see what kind of recipes we come up with again.
Welcome in, everybody. Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show, and today we're making lunchroom brownies. It's a showstopper because they're so good. So first off, I have 2 sticks of melted butter right here, and then we're going to put in 2 cups of sugar. We're just pouring everything in. 4 eggs. We'll give that a little mixy mix real quick. Hopefully my bowl's big enough. And them 2 egg yolks don't want to get beat. There we go.
They tough.
Yeah. And we're going to put in 1/2 cup of cocoa. Just unsweetened cocoa. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I have 2 cups of flour right here. Guys, these are so good. You make an icing and put on them while they're hot. Like some of you know, I'm not much on chocolate, but this chocolate, the real stuff, these brownies are awesome.
Those are the best brownies ever.
And I'm making them for the wrestling event for tomorrow night. So we got 4 teaspoons of vanilla going in. Of the good stuff.
There's one.
Yeah. DDP is going to be there, and Butterbean. Who else is going to be there? You probably know more of them than I do. Can't think of them.
Bagwell.
Buff Bagwell. And we're running the concession. Well, taking the money and putting pop in. It's in Chillicothe, Ohio, if anybody wants to go. OUC, March 14th. We're just going to try to get this all mixed up. Don't want to over mix it. I still see it flour there a little bit.
Autographs and pictures from 12 to 5.
Ooh.
Wrestling starts at 7.
All right. And a 9x13 pan is what we're using. Prepare your pan, butter, spray, oil, do whatever you do. And we're going to pour this right in there. Oven is 350. It's already preheated. That don't always happen. I forget sometimes.
I have to remind her sometimes.
He has to remind me of ingredients too.
Mm-hmm.
They're laying right in front of me. And I did go to the doctor for my that muscle, my sciatica. She gave me some meds, and it seems to be working a little bit. But I'll take a little bit right now anyway. A little bit of relief.
Any relief will help, right?
Yeah.
We got 50-mile-an-hour winds outside right now.
Man, you might be able to hear it. It's just blowing everything over. All right.
If you're under 100 pounds, it's going to blow you away.
Couldn't even get out of the truck because the wind was blowing it shut a while ago. All right, I'm putting these in the oven, 350 degrees, and we'll be back and make the icing. All right, the brownies was in the oven, 350 degrees for 35 minutes in mine. Still hot, just took them out because we put the hot icing on the hot brownies.
And they smell delicious.
Yeah. So here we go with this.
I might have to test that one.
So we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of butter, or half a stick of butter. That down in there. Get this going. We have a 1/4 cup of cocoa, the unsweetened cocoa. Get this melted and going here first, because you want to put this on while your brownies are hot. Get my butter all melted up in there.
Hot butter.
Yeah. Whew. This pan right here is boiling already, and you saw me just turn it on. It's boiling. Turn it down a little bit.
It gets hot quick.
Yeah, and then we've got 3 cups of powdered sugar. We're making desserts, not salad. Get that on there.
Desserts are better than salads. Tasting, anyway.
You have lots of sugar. Gotta keep moving it. I don't want this to burn in this hot pan. I've never made it in this pan before. It's starting to dissolve a little bit in there. Gotta keep it moving. You all ready for spring? Our trees are budding around here. Starting to green up, the grass and everything. We're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. We're ready for spring.
I am. Ready to get the bike out. Get some riding done this year, now that Mama's got new knees.
I get my other one working good. Takes time.
I hope when I get your age, my knees are better.
I've done a hard job all my life.
So have I. I work construction most of my whole life.
Yeah, he's 70 years old and getting up and down off the floor. I'm like, oh my gosh, I wish I could do that.
I get around like a 20-year-old. Most days.
Out there doing snow angels.
Yeah. Putting motors and tractors and stuff.
All right.
Wow, it smells good.
We may have to have a sample.
That chocolate always smells good, though. And the pudding she made me the other day, it's gone.
We did give some away, though. All right. I think you just have to get her hot and get it all stirred together. We're going to pour that right on top of there.
I think she should make me some more pudding. Tell her, guys.
We're not eating stuff.
I'll eat the pudding.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd love to try this, but I can't.
We don't have any milk.
Not the good milk, anyway.
All right, we're going to pour this right on here. Spread it out so we got icing on every corner. And now we leave it sit, and we'll be back for a taste test that I'll do. All right, it's cooled off. I got a piece cut, and I just said, too bad we don't have any vanilla ice cream. Put a scoop of vanilla on that and some hot fudge. Hot fudge brownie. Yeah, I'll take it. All right. I got the drastic thing of doing this taste test.
Somebody's got to do it.
So good, guys. It's almost like Texas sheet cake, but better to me. Put some pecans or walnuts in that icing. or even in the brownies.
Oh,
but I
yeah.
didn't want to because I don't know. Some people may be allergic to nuts and are giving this away. So I want to make something without nuts. But guys, so easy recipe. There's not very many ingredients in that, and probably everything you already have. I'll get off here so I can finish that one. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and hype, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.